Hey guys, we are back in the kitchen. This is your girl Chef Pam, and today we're going to be making the TikTok pancake cereal recipe. Chocolate and vanilla. Let's not talk about it too much, guys. Let's just do it. Come on, let's get started right now. Guys, here is our finished TikTok pancake cereal. I've got it topped with bananas and pecans. You can top it with anything you like or nothing at all. Put some maple syrup on there and go for it, guys. Delicious. We're going to try it out. I've got my milk here. Yes. Pour that milk in there. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Guys, you got to try this. Let me know when you do. Delicious. Okay, guys, that's it. Quick, simple, and easy. That's the pancake TikTok recipe. Guys, that's great for quarantine. Great to do with your kids. Hey, they're at home, gonna be home for the summer. Who wouldn't like pancake cereal? If you are not subscribed to this channel, guys, hit that button right now and subscribe. Tap that bell so you'll get the next time I upload notified directly to you and you won't miss out. And guys, leave me some comments. Tell me if you're trying the pancake cereal recipe and what you may have topped yours with. Guys, share me out. Share this video out and tell everybody you know that Chef and More is over here cooking up quick, simple, easy meals. Just the way we like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.